Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja. Y'all, this is the March subscription box from Simply Gilded and I'm here to do an unboxing. And typically when I do my unboxings for my Simply Gilded subscription boxes, I do not hide the mystery item. So if you know you don't want to see the mystery item for this March Simply Gilded subscription box, just click away right now. So this is what my box looked outside of the exterior packaging. My package got pretty beat up by the USPS. Yeah. And then again, this box is chock full of goodies, so I don't know. You would think when you see a shiny box, you would try and be a little more careful. So this month's box was called Painted Garden, and it has these beautiful flowers, and I believe this is a peacock, some butterflies, and this is what the back looks like. This is your season to bloom. I love this. I need to figure out a way to use these boxes. And look at all the things that came in. Wow. So I knew this, I think this is a B6 traveler's notebook. Yeah, so it's a B6 traveler's notebook. You have the foil journaling card, which is, where is that? Which is this. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. That's great. So you have the foil journaling card. The washi tapes should be inside this beautiful, beautiful bag. Ugh. I love bags like these for toiletry bags and makeup bags. So the washies are in here. The pens are in here. And then there's a mystery item. I'm trying to figure out what the mystery item is. So we have foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, B6 notebook, which is this one. Let your ideas take flight. That's very nice. Let's open that and see if there's anything hiding inside it. I doubt it, but you know, you never know. So there were no goodies inside this B6 notebook, but it is a pretty notebook and it is dot grid. I like that the paper is slightly off-white and it is thick. It's a nice, thick dot grid paper. So that's that. So foil journaling card, washi tapes, sticker kit and seals, B6 Traveler's Notebook. That's that. B6 Stitched Binding Notebook, engraved black gel ink pen. I think I need to start selling my pens. I have a lot of Simply Gilded pens that I need to get rid of because I don't use them. Rounded tassel pouch, that's this. Sakura Jelly Roll pen, that's this one, and it's the metallic. Ooh, lovely. Foiled acetate and vellum, that's these, and a mystery item. So I'm guessing these washi cards are the mystery item, because I can't see anything else that looks different in the box. And this is gorgeous. You have butterflies. You have a bow. Oh, you have a swan. Oh, gorgeous. And you have this painted forest thingy. And then you have a heart. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. I wonder if you can make them into bookmarks. Yes, it'll be nice to make them into bookmarks. You could use a grommet or something to cut out the rounded part right there and then tie your string or whatever and use it as a bookmark. These will be very nice for bookmarks. I like that idea. So the washi cards are the mystery item, just in case you wanted to know. So these are the washies, and I have the 5mm add-on subscription, so that's what those are. And this, I believe, is the regular washi. gorgeous. Oh, the gold foiling. I love the ombre in this one. And I have orange and pink, and I believe this was a variation. This varies from box to box. And then this flower washi. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful green also. And then gold. These are perforated. I don't believe that these are perforated, but these two are perforated. And then you have this foresty washi with tiny gold foiled bows. Lovely. Is that showing up? Okay. And then you have this other ombre green. I am in love with this bag. I am in love with this bag. This is immediately going into my travel situation. Immediately. Makeup bag, toiletry bag. I mean, if it was a little wider, it could be a true toiletry bag, but this is, I mean, I don't have enough words. Let's just say that. And then the stickers. I love the fact that we have script stickers this month. We have been asking for script stickers, and now we have them. And these are foiled. So we have work, home, and play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 of all of these words. This is great. Oh, and the tiny foiled stickers. Yes, with this salmon color, with the salmon background. Painted garden. And then you have the boxes, full boxes. Which ones are full boxes? Let's see. Oh no, these are icons. These little ones are icons. You have art, food, family, and love. And then you have the birds and flowers. This is a full box. These are half boxes. Checklists. And then you have the bow seals. Oh, gorgeous. Bow seals. And then you have the kit or the mini kit, which can last you 2 weeks. Or you can use it on your monthly. I need to start using these on my monthly views. I just need the numbers to match. I wish they came with numbers. That would have been great. But that's it, y'all. That is it. And even though I am not a traveler's notebook person, I recall people talking about the stains. But if I recall also, there was a very easy fix. I think someone used alcohol or something to clean it, and it took this gold stain off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, that should be pretty obvious now. But this is a sturdy, sturdy traveler's notebook. Like this is thick. Whatever is here at the back, it feels like there's a little bit of something to make it sturdy. No, not on this side, but on this side. That's very nice. And I believe this is all vegan leather. And you can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4 notebooks. I'm almost sure you can have more than 4 notebooks because look how thick it is. But that's it. That is it. I haven't opened this one yet. The acetate and the vellum. Everything is beautiful. This is a very nice, bright box. Nice to make us feel a little happy. Everyone needs some happiness at this time. The whole world is going through a lot. Oh, gorgeous. I want to put it on top of this B6 notebook. Yes. Look at that. Yes. Or we can do this one. And you can use either, I believe you can use either the front or the back. You would most likely use this to be the front though, because this is how it's folded. That's it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked the haul, and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite item from this Simply Gilded subscription box? Talk to y'all later. Bye.